Guys, we got a 2013 Dodge Charger V6 all-wheel drive. It comes already true dual from the factory. Not a lot of them do the all-wheel drive do. So they got the V8 exhaust system on them. Factory converter there, factory converter there. So he was doing a lot of research online. He follows a lot of forums. He wanted us to replace this flex pipe for a bigger one, so it becomes true flow. So we put him 2.5-inch flex pipe there instead of the restriction that was on it. Then what we did, continued the factory after that into an X pipe right there. And then he also brought in his own mufflers, FLO 409, part number 49265, right there. There'll be links in the description if we can find them for you guys, right there. As you guys can see, they're in the middle. They're 18-inch body mufflers, and he says it just gives it a really nice deep tone. He watched a couple of YouTube videos on them, so he ordered them and we put them on for him. And then we did a resonator delete also for him out the back. We can complement the sound exactly the same on these mufflers right there. All right, so it's got resonator deletes, FLO 409s in the middle, new flex pipe in the front. Nice and clean, nice and beautiful. There's the two resonators that were on it. There's the two mids that were on it. We took them all off and replaced them. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. That sounds good. It's clean. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. 92.5. It's not bad. Come on back. Charger all-wheel drive V6. The more they warm up, the more they deepen the sound. The sound deepens.
They get a little deeper as they
They break in about 30 days. I like it. What do you guys think of the sound? Let us know in the comments. Let you guys hear on the inside. Dodge Charger all-wheel drive V6 with FLO 409 mufflers and rear delete. For a V6, that sounds mean. I like it. Enjoy, guys.